Aloha everyone, this is Christilani. So today I am gonna do an updated video of the portable washer that I purchased from not Wish, but Amazon. Okay, so I just been having it in my closet and I just pull it out when I'm doing laundry. I do have a laundry downstairs, but right now I don't feel like going down there, so I'm gonna just wash my uniforms and other small loads. It might need a little dusting, so don't judge, okay guys? I just need to clean that up. It's been in the closet for a few months. Yeah, so if you guys think you guys have to say something bad, just maybe forget about it or whatever, you know what I mean? But I'm just showing you guys the updated video of this and how it still works after a year of use. So since I moved into the new apartment, I hardly been using this, but I've been using it off and on, maybe once a month. But it's still the same working condition as it was when I bought it. The only thing that comes like dirty is, you see this part here. Sorry, the camera is a little bit trying to focus. Okay, but you see inside there, that's the only part that gets dirty. Maybe eventually I would have to change it or try to clean it out with some Clorox or something like that. But this is the only downfall of it. Sometimes it would have a smell to it. If you don't empty it correctly, there would be water still in the bottom there. So right now there's nothing, it's dried out. Okay, and this is the part where it's gonna drain the water. And so how I've been doing it is I just hook up this one side and it's the water in it on this side. There is two sides, but I just use one. And I've been putting this, it's easy to hook up, so you're just gonna hook this up here on top there. Let me get that for you guys real quick. Okay, so it just hooks up like that, and then you're gonna put the water on, but make sure this is not on drain or else everything will fall out. So I just put this on, I load up the water. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill it up, not all the way, but I've been filling it up all the way to at least here. So I'm almost done, and I just drop in one of those since that's the only detergent that I have right now. Okay, so at least I'm gonna fit in 4 of my uniform pantses at one time, just so that it can get a better clean. Yeah, so I'll just throw one. Sorry, I'm holding my camera. Okay, so I got 2. Let's find them. You have the other 3 and 4. So we just put that on in it there, and then it's gonna be just like that. Sorry, the camera is focusing again. So right now I just got the plug going this way here, and then the water coming from the faucet. So I'm in the kitchen right now. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put the timer on. I'll just put it on for 15, and then it just still works great. Just wanted to share with you guys, in case you guys don't have that washer at home and you guys need to wash your clothes. This was one of my best investments because it's still going, as you guys can see. I think I can even add in one more of my shirts, I believe. I'm going to add in one more shirt in that. Alrighty guys, so that was my share for today. It's been a year since I had my portable washer going on from Amazon, and I thank God that they did ship to Hawaii, so it was at least 130. There was some that were less, but if you're living on the in the mainland, and they probably had free shipping for lesser price, but for Hawaii it was $139.